I'm gonna give y'all a quick little OTD just to really start this vlog off. Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. What's good y'all? So y'all know I'm about to, well, I haven't even told y'all that. I'm about to go on a boat ride. It's about to be so fun. This is my OTD. I literally have to leave like right now, but this is my OTD. I'm wearing this leopard top swimsuit, got this from Shein, with these really cute black bottoms. I'm also wearing this, it's like a skirt cover up, really cute, J'adore perfume and shimmer gel on my chest and like body, Rocawear shades, and then of course my Chanel earrings, and then my super cute pearls, nails. And then this is my bag that I'm taking, and then of course I have cash in with me. I got I got my tripods, I got my portable charger, I got sunscreen. I feel like I got everything I need. I don't really plan on getting like super duper wet, you feel me? But I'm gonna put my feet in, you know, be cute. So yeah, this is it. And then I'm wearing my like really cute gold type sandals. They're just real cute sandals. But yeah, this is the OTD. And I'm excited and I can't wait to go. We might be doing brunch before we leave, so just in case, I'm gonna take my black romper with me, just in case we do a little like out to eat things before we go on the boat. But I am really excited and I can't wait to see y'all on the boat. Let's get to it, y'all. So y'all, I couldn't find a store that was open on a Sunday that had what I was looking for, so I am in the store right now because I gotta get some wine. So that's what we're doing now. We're getting wine. Y'all, when I tell y'all it is so hot outside, I put my romper on too, y'all. The one that I was telling y'all about, because I didn't want to clearly walk around the store in a bikini. I still got my bikini on though. So now I gotta find the wine I'm looking for. Okay. They got Stella Rosa. I wish, do they have the pink? Okay, so these are the ones that they have. They got all the colors, watermelon. Oh, they got Stella Pink. This is the one I wanted to get. I was thinking this one. So yeah. All right, we got the wine. Should I get some cups, y'all? That's what I'm wondering now. I don't know if I should get cups or not. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get cups, because I don't think we're gonna have any. Okay. They got Red Bull too with it. I don't think I'm gonna need a Red Bull. Okay, wait. I think I found some. They got these. I mean, these kind of cute. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 8 glasses. I think I'm gonna go with this. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this. All right, y'all. We lit. It's time to go check out now. See what's poppin'. put this on YouTube. What's up, y'all? And we on screen. Y'all, look at this little frog. YouTube, I hope y'all can hear me. We out here. Yes. We having a ball, y'all. The views is here. Period. We doing it, y'all. This my stylist, Chris.
Yes,
he's the best stylist. Well, shout out your Instagram.
My Instagram is I am Christopher D'Angelo. I am Christopher Angel for the professional profile, but be true.
Period. On all platforms. And make sure y'all follow. Y'all, so I just got back home. I had fun. It's literally like 10:30 at night. I got an M&M like Oreo ice cream milkshake and a pretzel. Y'all, it was so much fun. This was such a fun vlog. I can't wait for y'all to see the pictures, the videos. Everything went crazy. And if you want to see a short form content, I'm gonna post it. If you want to see it in short form, I'm gonna post it on here. So I really hope that y'all enjoyed this YouTube video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next post. Love y'all. Yeah.